On my way to Birds Hill Park, look what I've seen. There's deer. I'm scared to go closer, but look, it's looking at me. And there's the rest. Look. Hello, deers. Ayan po, this side po ng park is, ayan po yung tennis court. Kaya lang tinanggal na po yung mga net kasi po wala na yatang naglalaro. Ayan po, this is the tennis area po ng Birds Hill Park. Kaya lang tinanggal na yung net. So ayan po yung tennis court, and ito po yung parking lot. Ayan, maluwang po yung parking lot nila dito. Ayan. This is the whole parking lot, this side, tsaka dun po sa kabila. Ayan, that way po. Ayan po yung papunta sa beach area. But before that, papakita ko po sa inyo yung lake trail. Ito po yung map nila. Ayan, sabi doon is you are here. Ayan. Ayan, may mga meron silang campground, you can do fishing, trails. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Hello everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's Frances again. Ngayon po, andito tayo sa Birds Hill Park para mag-exercise. I mean, maglakad-lakad, and i-check po natin how it looks dito sa Birds Hill Park ngayong fall. Kasi po yung last time na pumunta ako dito is nung summer pa. So, I'm testing my DJ Osmo action camera for 4K 30. Yeah, there's no more water. Ayan po. Ayan, dati po. During summer, may tubig po yan. Ayan, busy po. Pero ngayon, it's getting cold. So, wala na pong tubig. Let's go closer. Whew. Ay, look at the sand. Okay, guys. Ayan, wala pong tao. Lahat po nag-hibernate. Ayan, guys. This is Birds Hill. Usually po, ayan, dyan po yung beach before, nung meron pa pong tubig. Ayan, now it's sand. Siguro ayaw na nilang mag-swimming because it's getting cold. Ayan. Ayan, meron po mga taong naglalakad pero konti lang po. Ayan, because everyone is busy. Ayan, dati po yan, volleyball court. Ayan, ano ba, beach volleyball? Volleyball? Ayan. Ayan po yung view nung beach dati. Wala na pong tubig. Ayan, pwede ka nang maglakad sa gitna. Okay, guys. Let's keep going. Ayan. Let's just go a little bit closer. Tingnan natin yung swamp. Ben, swamp. Ayan. You can do fishing. Hello.
Hi.
You can still get fish there even at this time?
Yeah, sometimes, it's a trout, and trout is actually active in any time.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just doing my vlog, like showing the Birds Hill Park. Hello, someone is doing fishing.
Yeah, I hope that this will some fish.
Yeah, there, this is how it looks. Okay, it's a little bit cold, but yeah, I wish we could catch one there.
Yeah, this will be fun to get it.
Yeah, oh,
We'll see. We'll see. Always a chance.
yes. Okay, guys, let's see. Maybe we can get fish for dinner.
Yeah, it will be nice.
Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, have a good one.
And you too.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Bye.
Okay, that's the mini lake. Someone is fishing. Okay, there. I think you can also do picnics here. And look, I think those are like the, what is that? Ano ba yan? Parang, dali, lapitan natin. Ayan, sabi pala, oh, kaya pala siya nag-fishing kasi sabi niya, ayan, stock trout waters. Please check your provincial. Oh, anglers. Oh, pwede palang mag-fishing, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayun si Mama. He's so nice. He lets us take a video there. Ayan, guys. Ayan yung dyan. Marami daw trout dyan. Yan. Pwede kang mag-fishing. Ayan, parang pala yung nasa gitna, but I don't think so. Ayan, lapitan natin ng konti. Ayan. Baka may trout na ano. Ayan, ayan siya. Ay, parang, look at the water, oh guys. It's, parang may green. Ewan ko kung ano yan. There. Ayan, guys. Ayan yung water, ayan. There you go. Ayan guys, it's nice to go for a walk. Pero parang wala pong masyadong tao, but it's okay. It's nice to be around here. It's been a while. Ayan guys. Ayan. Look. Ayan, meron pong nagbabike sa likod. It's nice and fresh, guys. Ayan. Here comes the big pine trees, guys. Ayan. Let's take a look at this. Oh, ayan po. Wow, ang taas. Ayan. Parang smells sa Baguio pine tree. Ayan siya, guys. Wala pong masyadong tao. Ayan. Wow, looks so nice. Oh, there. Ayan. On the other side. Ayan, let's keep walking, guys. Ayan siya. Wow, this is like full of pine trees, guys. Ayan. Feels like Baguio. Ayan. Oh, looks so nice. Ayan siya. We are in the middle of all these pine trees. Ayan. Ang tataas, tsaka ang papayat. Okay, let's take a look closer. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. It's so nice. Oh, ayan yung mga pine cones. Ayan, let's take a look. Oh, it's so small, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Ang liit. Oh, ayan, guys. Mag-rest muna tayo because we are tired of walking. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Wow. Oh, look, look. Ayan, may bird. Ayan, lumapit siya, oh. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung mga ibon. Ayan. Oh. Oh, ayan siya, oh. Ayan. Ayan, ay ang babait, oh, ayan. Oh. Come on, birds. Oh, wow. Ayan, actually, andito po tayo sa parang pinakagitna. Tuk-tuk. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ay, ito po yung trail. Ayun. Doon po is yung parang main road pa uwi. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, take a look. Ayan po. Doon po yung sa may beach side. Ayan. Doon natin dito sa side. Ayan. Ayan, meron pong nagpipictorial doon sa kabila. Ayan sila, pictorial pumpkins. Ayan. Ayan, guys, I hope you're having a good time watching my video. And hey guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure to subscribe, guys, so I'm gonna be showing you more of the nice places na I can go. And thank you. Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-rent ng bike with your family. Ayan, sabi niya betogetherbikes.com. Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-rent ng bike, and then ayan, pwedeng mag-drive around the park. Ayan, maluwang po yung park dito. And then during the summer, meron po silang store where you can buy all your snacks. Ayan po. Ito po yung store dati, but they're closed. Ayan. Closed for the season. So, yan. Yan, and they have bench where you can sit and eat your snacks. Ayan po, while you're sitting here, you can see the view out there. Ayan. Ayan siya. And dito naman po sa side, ito po yung washroom area. Ayan po. Ayan, andito po tayo sa may east beach side. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, guys, look what I found. Let's take a look, closer look. Ayan, this side naman po is yung beach safety station. Just in case po na kailangan ng emergency, meron po silang station dito. Ayan po. Ayan. Check natin. Ayan, beach safety station. Ayan siya. Ang cute, parang small cabin. Ayan. Ay, kaya lang close yata sila. Ayan, close for the season. Ayan. Lakad tayo dito sa gilid. Ayan, oh, ganda ng view nila dito. Ayan, yung beach front. Okay. Guys. Ayan po yung beach safety station. Ayan. And sa likod niya is, tignan natin. Oh, ayan po yung mga parang big stool, yung inupuan po ng mga lifeguard, pero tinago na po kasi no more summer, it's fall. Ayan, and on this side po, ayan, meron pong park para sa mga bata. Ayan. O, sandali. I'll show you more on this side. Dito po yung katabi ng beach safety station is meron po silang life jacket station. Ayan. Free po yan. Kukuha po kayo ng isa. Depende po sa size ng bata. And then, kailangan po ibalik natin pag tapos ng gamitin. Ayan o. Beach life jacket loaner station. Let's see. Oh, it's empty. Ayan, wala na. Empty na siya, guys. Ayan. And then, itong side naman po is, diba? Ito yung beach volleyball. And then, this side, guys, ayan. Makikita nyo yung play structure for kids. Kasi habang yung iba nagsuswimming, yung iba naman po is andito sa may play structure. Yes, ayan, pwede po kayong mag-barbecue. Ayan, pwede pong mga fire pit po. Ayan. Ayan, bring your food. Ayan po yung fire pit. Yan, pwede po kayong mag-barbecue kung anong gusto nyo lutuin. Ayan. Ayan siya. And then yan. Ayan, may tao yatang kung ano kayang hinahanap niya. Ayan, there's more bench there. There you go. There, you get to see. And then dun po sa side is, ayan po, parang kids playground po yung nandun sa side. Ayan, tanongin natin si Kuya. Ano kayang hinahanap niya? Hello, would you mind if I ask what are you doing? Oh, because I'm doing my vlog showing Birds Hill. Is it okay? Okay, so hello. So what actually are you doing?
Metal detecting. Mostly here it's maybe jewelry if you're lucky.
Wow.
Coins, quite a bit of coins.
Did you find something today?
About $3 in loonies.
Wow.
50 cents, like 2 quarters, and a dime, and a whole whack of pennies.
Wow. So can I take a video of your machine? It's a metal detector.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
So your range will tell you.
There.
You can notch out the garbage, so
Okay.
you're only hitting like nickels, dime, quarter, 50-cent piece.
Oh.
50-cent piece is usually like a loonie, because we don't have 50 cent
Yeah.
anymore. We used to a long time ago, and then they cut them out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you get to go all around the park or just this area?
As long as my legs will carry me.
It's a nice exercise
Yeah,
too, right?
It's just better on a nicer day.
Oh, okay.
Not such a crazy.
Okay, have a good one. Thank you. Ayan guys, dito naman po sa kabila, meron pong another play structure for kids. Ito po yung parang pag nagsha-shower po, itry nga natin kung may tubig pa. I don't think so. Oh, wala na. Ayan. Parang ipipress mo lang to. And then yan, lalabas na yung tubig sa taas or sa baba. Ayan guys. Here is another play structure for kids. Wow guys, ito oh. This is new. Ayan siya guys. Yan oh, ang cute. It's close to the beach. Ayan, andito po tayo sa may horseback riding area. Ayan, baka parang may ano ba yan, may event po yata sila dito. Ayan. Ayan, dito po yung mga kabayo. Asan na sila? Where are they? Ayan, baka po busy. Ano pa po yata sila sa loob. Ayan guys. Here. Ito po. Wow, ang luwang guys. Look. So wide. Ayan, dyan po kayo pwedeng mag-horseback riding. Just want to show you a little bit here. Enter this area at your own risk. No, we won't enter. Ayan siya guys. Oh, this is... Ayan, ito po yung... Ayan, lapitan natin. It's the Polo Club Springfield. Ayan. Mga mahilig magpolo. Ayan siya guys, oh. Polo Club Springfield. Ayan siya guys. You can take a look. It's so nice and wide. Look. Ayan. Dito po naglalaro yung mga gustong magpolo. Part pa rin po ito ng Birds Hill Park. Ayan. See, it's very nice and wide, guys. Look. Ayan. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo, ayan. Yung lupain po na yan, hanggang dun po sa pinakadulo. Hindi po sa atin yan. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan. Parang may event po yata sila dito. Ayan siya, oh. Oh, ayun yung place. I think doon po yung restaurant. Doon po. Kaya lang ewan ko kung pwede tayong pumunta doon. Ayan po guys. Doon po yung place na yun. Andun po yung mga horses. Ayan. Nakatago po sila kasi malamig na guys. Ayan. Yun, doon tayo galing kanina. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like my video for today at Birds Hill Park. And make sure po na mag-like, comment, and subscribe po kayo. And make sure na pag nag-subscribe po kayo, leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and I'll try my best po na re-replyan po lahat ng mga comment nyo. Okay guys, stay healthy everyone. Hi, bye-bye. Thank you. Ayan guys, hello. Ayan, we're heading back home now because it's getting late. Siya guys. Trees are still nice. Yellow. Siya guys. Nice and yellow. Heading back home. It's getting late.